I feel like I've heard this one before. Oh my gosh, wait, I can fly in this game? Wait, can I fly over the keyboards really fast? Hold on, let's test this out. All right, please tell me we can. Oh my gosh, you hear that? Wait, listen to this, guys. Listen to that. Whoa. Okay, pretty cool, pretty cool. Okay, so the next question is honey keyboard or ice keyboard? Ooh. Okay, I want to hear the honey keyboard because that was also in question number 1. Let's test this out, all right? Honey keyboard in 3, 2, 1, and boom, shakalaka. Ooh, that sounds cool. I like that, actually.